Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw a crocodile easily. Okay, let's start. Starting from the right side, go like this, like a cloud's zigzag. Similarly, draw another layer, and from the tip draw a small curve, and this is the face of a crocodile. Draw as per I am drawing here. And this is a leg slanting curve, and now you are drawing fingers. Again from that leg draw a straight line. From there draw a slanting curve, and coming to the bottom draw fingers of a crocodile, and from the second leg draw again a straight line. Go up by drawing a arch, go upside, and from the head part now we are drawing eyes, two small circles, and color it as black inside. And now a mouth part, draw a teeth, and now a nose, two dotted. From the head part draw like this, upside downside curve like this, go slightly upside and coming down, and that we are going to finish it on the tail part. And from there, from the back side of body, we have completely finished the tail part. And coming to the mouth part, draw a straight line like this, from the nose to leg, and leg to leg, and leg to tail, from the head part to tail part. Okay, we have finished drawn crocodile. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.